Hey there, this is Lonnie and welcome back to the Smart Security Solutions YouTube channel. In today's how-to video, we are going to use our XMeye Remote Mobile App to view our cameras live. Now this is a live video on how to use it. This is not going to go back and display footage and record it. This is just to look at your cameras live. So the first thing we'll do is click on the bottom. You'll see the XMeye app on my phone. So I click there and it brings up the local login. Now this is assuming that you watch one of our other videos, you have the app installed and configured. So if you notice the bottom left, there's local login. We will click on local login to access the NVR. Alright, once you click on local login, it brings up another screen that's a device list. At the device list, you'll select the name of the NVR that you want to access. Once you click on that, it brings up the 4 cameras because this is a 4-port NVR. Now, the purpose of this video, it is a demo unit and I only have 1 camera connected. So I will select camera 2, and at the bottom you see where it says start preview with a 1. That means I have 1 camera selected. When I click on start preview, that will bring up that camera after it buffers, and that's the camera in live view. If you wanted a 4 view from this screen, you would click on the number 4 and that will bring up 4 cameras, but again we only have 1 connected. So I can either double click the 1 camera and it takes me back, or I could have clicked on the number 1 box, which would take me back to 1 camera. Alright, so for the purpose of this, the quality is always SD. If you notice, you have an HD and an SD. When you first start a camera, it's always SD, which is standard definition. If I needed more detail or higher quality, I would click on the HD SD, and that changes the video from a standard definition to high definition, which you get more detail. But remember, the higher quality you use, the more bandwidth from your internet it will use. Might not be a good idea if you're using your mobile app on cellular data. Alright, and it will also use bandwidth wherever you have the NVR connected. Alright, so I'll go back to standard definition by clicking there. Once it buffers, then it changes. I could also click on the top right hand corner. There's a square box with another square inside, and that will make it full screen. So once you do that, it becomes full screen. Now I could turn my phone horizontal to get a more realistic view, but for the purpose of this video, the way it records, it'll only show it that way. Alright, so to go back to regular view, I'll double click it, and that brings up the 4 cameras in the normal view. Alright, so to go back to 1 camera, I could click the number 1 again, and that brings the 1 camera in the app. If I wanted to enlarge it, what I could do is I could put my fingers and spread it out just like a normal camera. A normal picture, and you see I am zooming in. Double click to go back to 4, or I could double click the camera to have that camera take up the whole video. Okay, well I hope this helps. This was a how-to video on how to view your cameras live using the XMeye app on a Smart Security Solutions NVR. Please remember to always go to our website at www.sssitx.com, or give us a call if you have questions. But most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as we add videos, you will be notified. Once again, this is Lonnie with Smart Security Solutions. Have a great day.